Hello and thanks for stopping by. Today's recipe is Efo Riro, which is a Yoruba vegetable soup. Hope you enjoy. Blend the tomatoes and peppers coarsely and set aside. Now boil the assorted meat and fish with any seasoning of choice until tender and then set aside. In another pot, heat up the palm oil until it starts to smoke. Now add the blended pepper mix and fry until the mixture loses its sour taste. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. But don't forget to stir constantly to prevent burning at the bottom. Add the cooked assorted meat and fish. Add the ground emu, ground crayfish, and stock cube. Mix thoroughly and leave to boil for 10 minutes. Now add the shredded vegetables, taste for salt, and leave to simmer for 5 more minutes. If you want less liquid in your Efo Riro soup, you can blanch the vegetables before adding it to the soup. Mix well and get ready to excite your palate with this tasty soup. Efo Riro can be enjoyed with boiled rice, plantains, yams, or any fufu recipe. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.